Hey guys, today's install will be some flexible DRL LED turn signals. Just got them in today from Amazon. Still in the shrink wrap. Let me go ahead and unbox it for you. Alright, it's a connection diagram with the installation instructions and the LEDs itself. Alright, first thing you want to do is to test it to make sure they work. I already extended the wires here. I soldered it and then used a shrink tube to make it nice and clean. I already have it connected to the negative. You can see right there. And let's test the positive to make sure the daytime running lights work. There we go. As you can see, they do work. There we go. All right, now I'm going to check the turn signal. And yes, you can see they do work. All right, my plan is to maybe start from here, 2 inches in, all the way around, and maybe stick everything else in here. Then run the wires under here to the battery. All right, so you're gonna wanna pop this cover off. Next, you want to unplug that harness for your headlight. Alright, there it is. Then we're going to test to find out which is the power source. Now I have the multimeter. We're gonna have the black and go ahead and ground it to the body of the car. See if I can make it stay. All right. Then we grab positive lead. And then test each one. I have it on parking lights. I turned the parking lights on. Nope. Let's try the second, third, fourth. There we go, 12 volt. That's the fourth. So the fourth lead, let's just try it. Fifth, sixth, seven, and the eighth one. So it looks like the fourth one is a 12 volt. So now we have power source. That's the one I want to tap into. Now for the pilot, the turn signals are actually way down here. To access the turn signals, we're gonna have to remove this fender wall. We got one screw here, the second screw here, and then the third one is up here. You want to remove those 3 and then pry this out to gain access to the turn signal light right over here. Now you want to go ahead and pry this fender trim open. Just yanks. See what's holding it. There we go. There we go. Once you pry those out, you want to lift the tab out. There we go. Now you have access. Pull back the fender wall there. You have access to the light bulb. You want to go ahead and grab that light bulb and pull them out. All right, there it is. Just twist and pull out. We're gonna go ahead and tap into this wire right there. So I'm gonna plug in the red wire into the fourth lead right here, the yellow wire into the turn signal in here, and then the black, I'm gonna run it underneath this into the black terminal of the battery. Alright, so I got the turn signal plugged into the green wire of the right turn signal. Alright, and I tapped into the fourth pin through the back. And I'm going to go ahead and plug that back into the headlight. Alright, got it plugged back in. Now I'm going to go ahead and run the black wire, well this is yellow, connected to the black wire of the LED light into that battery signal terminal. To get better access to the battery terminal, I'm going to go ahead and remove these two to remove this plastic intake. Alright, I got the negative all connected, and the red wire power connected to the daytime running lights, and of course the turn signal connected to the green wire right in there, all connected. Let's give it a test before we put the right side back together. I don't know if you can see the lights there. Let's test the daytime running lights. Alright, there you go, works. Let's test the turn signal. Nice. Alright, turn signal works, daytime running light works. Now next step, we're gonna go ahead and clean this surface here with alcohol and then stick them on. Now we're gonna go ahead and repeat the steps on the driver's side. On the driver's side, you want to tap into that signal. The wire that you're tapping into is color blue. Alright, there it is installed. I'm going to go ahead and put everything back together. Connect it to the negative. I'll clean up those wires and I'll show you how it looks. Alright, here's the final install. That's how it looks, nice and flush. Both sides complete. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the daytime running lights. There it is, nice and bright. You can clearly see it during the day. The camera doesn't do justice, but it is very bright. I'll turn it on with the headlights. There it is, looks good. And your sequential turn signals. Go ahead and do the hazard so both will turn on. Alright, later on I'll go ahead and take some video of it at night. Alright, here we are. The sun has gone down. Let me go ahead and show you the daytime running lights. There they are. It's a little bit raining outside, so I'm going to make this quick. Give you a better angle. Alright, so let's go ahead and turn them on, and I'll do the sequential lights. Alright guys, there it is. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.